everyone. So today I made some 4th of July strawberries, and these strawberries are really cute. You should make these for your family this weekend. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends about my channel. So basically all you need is some candy coating or almond bark, red and blue fondant, toothpicks, foam, a foam board, of course your strawberries. So go ahead and melt your chocolate. For those of you that do not know how to melt chocolate, I do have a video as far as how to melt chocolate, so I will post that up. So after you melt your chocolate, make sure it is really consistent like this. Okay, so I'm going to give this a quick stir and let's get started. Okay, so go ahead and grab a strawberry, put your toothpick in, pull your green leaves up, and go ahead and dip in the chocolate. Dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip. Now shake, 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 shake. Shake that chocolate by tapping your wrist. Tap, 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 tap. All right. So keep tapping that wrist until you do not see any chocolate fall off your strawberry. Place your strawberry down. Stick the toothpick inside the foam so the chocolate can dry. Grab another strawberry, put your toothpick in, pull your leaves up, and dip, baby, dip. Let's dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip. Now tap, 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 tap. Shake, 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 shake. Ow! Now place your strawberry down and repeat. You're going to repeat, get another strawberry, put the toothpick in the strawberry, pull your leaves up, and then you're going to dip, baby, dip, and then you're going to tap, 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 shake, 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 and you keep doing it, repeating the process. You keep repeating this until you're done. Okay, dip, baby, dip, dip, baby, dip. Tap, 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 shake, 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 tap, 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 tap. All right, gorgeous, gorgeous. That strawberry is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that strawberry down. You just keep repeating this. Okay guys, so I'm almost done with dipping my strawberries. The next step will be to place chocolate drizzle on the strawberries. So let's go ahead and get started with the chocolate drizzle. Go ahead and fill your piping bag or Ziploc bag up with chocolate. Cut the tip with scissors. Okay, squeeze the bag to make sure you have a good flow. So I usually just squeeze my bag first, and I just drizzle chocolate over the strawberry by going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more, and you just keep repeating this until you're complete with all of your strawberries. I make sure I have a good flow, and then I drizzle the chocolate back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and that's it. It's simple. That's it. Okay, so this is what the strawberry looks like. I'm gonna do one more strawberry so you can get a good look. So you get your strawberry, you squeeze your bag to make sure your chocolate has a good flow. Okay, so I'm going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And that's it. And you have a good chocolate drizzle on your strawberry. One more. I promise. One more. Okay, this is it. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. Okay, so go ahead and get your red and blue fondant and your fondant stamps, which in this case will be the 3 stars. I have a large, medium, and small fondant stamp, star fondant stamp. So I'm going to go ahead and get my fondant roller and start rolling out the fondant. So you go ahead and press down in the fondant, and you just stamp the fondant on the strawberry. So you place the fondant on the strawberry, and you just repeat the process. You just repeat it with the red, the blue, red and blue, go back and forth. You don't have to, design your strawberries like mine, but this is the basic as far as what you need to do. So you just basically put the fondant stamp down in the fondant, and the fondant piece will be in the stamp, and you just stamp that fondant piece on the strawberry, and that's it. So you just keep repeating the steps. So you just keep cutting your stars out with your fondant stamp, and you just keep placing your stars on your strawberries, and that's it. So guys, we're done here. Okay, so your strawberries should come out looking like this, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.